Hi guys, welcome back to my diary. And if you're new here, in this space, I talk about forex related stuff, the mistake I've made, and most important, the lesson that I keep learning because all of us are market students so that I can share with you. And if you find this video very interesting, kindly hit that subscribe button, comment, tell me what you think, and I know maybe by the end of the year we shall be at 1,000. Okay, I know we shall be at 1,000. And in today's video, I said whatever we do, we have to come and analyze the chart. And today's video, before we start, I have a rule, but let me explain to you so that you understand what the rule is about. And I want us to understand what really happened to the pound pair about last week. So coming to GBPNZD, I did analysis on GBPNZD. You can go and watch the video about GBPNZD, my analysis, and let's see, did it go to my way? Did it fail? Because I have to be transparent, okay? Coming to GPP and SD, I spotted this double bottom. It had already completed the pattern and we are waiting for it to be a full. We are anticipating that this market one day it will come to this zone, but again, at least it has to come to the half. You always have to look on the left to see where the market is most likely to head to. Okay, so we anticipated that this market, as it was retesting, it will come to a certain zone so that when it has already done with retest, it will go up and complete the whole of the double bottom that had already broken the neckline. Now I went to lower time frame so that I could find a pattern that can support my buy because I'm not more into selling, I was more into buying. Okay, and in the market, you are either a buyer or a seller. Like you just have to choose one side, and there are factors that you have to consider. So I went to 4 hour. I went to 4 hour, and I spotted a pattern that I knew this pattern will support my buy because from the go I was more of buying than more of selling. That was me according to my analysis. Now when I went to 4 hour, I spotted a double bottom and I knew anytime you find a double bottom that is an uptrend, it likely suggests that you buy the market. So I spotted the 4 hour double bottom that was on 4 hour. I marked my zone as usual, and this was my double bottom. This was my first leg, and this was my second leg. This was my half, and my neckline was around this area because I knew the market is supposed to go to this zone. But again, it has to go in stages. It cannot just go directly to this zone. The market must always breathe and retest. So I found this double bottom, and after marking my zones, I went to even lower time frame for entry because if I'm to enter on 4 hour, then my stop loss has to be this low because I was not that confident. Like I wanted a pattern, something that like that could tell me like you are good to enter the market. So I even went to 1 hour to find in case I enter with 1 hour, where will my stop loss be? Will I lose a lot of money? That was the main aim of me going to even 1 hour. And when I went to 1 hour, this is what I found. I found that the market has already created a W. A W is another form of a double bottom for me. You see, this is the first leg, the second leg, the neckline, everything. And now I was very sure. I knew when the market comes to retest here, then I have to enter because I knew the market cannot violate this zone. Instead, I'm very sure that the market now will go up. I knew, yes, it has to retest, but again, at least I have some confluence. And whenever you're entering the market, ensure that you have maybe four reasons for you to enter the market. For me, was I had a pattern that was on 1 hour, and I knew at least I have something that can give me the energy, the strength to enter the market. So I knew even when you go to 4 hour, the market will come and retest. The market will come and retest. Maybe it create another W so that we can continue going up. Okay, that was my analysis so far. I entered the market, and after the market was going up, I broke even because I knew let me just break even. In when the market come to retest, then it will go up. So after breaking even, the market came and it hit my where they had already broken even, and it went even further down. Now I never earned anything from this market because I had already broken even. I never knew that the market will go down because you can never be 100% sure. Okay. After that, the market went down. It created something like a W. Can you see this is a live market, by the way? It has created something like a W. And again, in the last video, I told you on 4 hour, I want the market to create something like a W so that it will continue going up. But I never thought the market will violate the 4 hour and it create the W, then it continue to go up. But that is what has happened. It has violated our pattern that is on 4 hour, and like there's nothing we can do much. And that is why I've come up with this rule. But I've come up with this rule. I'll not come here and tell you today I've made $100, $200, a million. I'm not yet there, but I know one day we shall be there. And I was imagining, imagine if I told somebody, can you enter at this zone, at this price, put your stop loss here and take your profit here? Those people, they could be very much mad, like they could be frustrated. They could be saying that your strategy is not working, but the strategy is very much working, only that it never favored me this time. Okay, so I've come up with an idea. My work will be only I'll be telling you, like I'll be spotting a pattern, then I'll be analyzing the chart for you. Like for example, I'll be telling you there's a double bottom because I love two patterns. There's a double bottom on 4 hour. Can you go and check it out? In case you get an entry, you can enter the market and you buy to the half, or maybe you buy to a certain zone. But I'll not come and tell you like buy at this time, sell at this time. No, I'll not do that. It is also your work to go and check the market and make a decision for yourself. My work is only to analyze I just tell you this is what I'm seeing now. Can you go and make a decision for yourself? Because I don't want people to be saying no, these strategies are not working, because so many people they come with the with, they come they come thinking like you just have to enter and you leave. No, there's a lot of things that you have to consider, because you see when you have analyzed the chart and the chart goes against you, there's a lot. I don't know if you understand. It means a lot. And the courage to come back and tell you, no, it never went my direction. It takes a lot. So I hope you're clear there. I'll never come and tell you, can you enter at this price? Put your stop loss here. Take profit. No, I'll just be telling you the general. This is the pattern I'm seeing. If you want to enter, can you go and spot? Because even when I upload the video, maybe you shall not watch the video the same time that I'm seeing. Maybe you shall watch the video an hour. I don't know. Hope you are clear there. So that is what happened to GBPNZD. And I don't know if at the end of the day it will reach to this zone, because I know it will go to that zone. It will go to this zone, but if it does not go, it is still okay. Now in today's video, I want us to look at GBP card again. What happened to GBP card? I don't know what is happening to the pound pairs, because I know I analyzed well. Only that sometimes the market can misbehave and there's nothing you can do. There's nothing that you can do. Now going to GPP card, it is a live market, and again, I don't like backtesting. Like I want to backtest you about a market that happened 2010. No, let us be going with the current market so that we can know what is happening, because the market keeps changing. Now going to GPP card, on daily, I spotted a double top. On daily, I spotted a double top, and I said on my Telegram, if you have not joined my Telegram, go and join my Telegram. There's a lot there. I spotted this double bottom that was on GPP card on daily, and I said, if we get an entry, we can sell the market to the half, or maybe to an area the market is most likely to go to, and that one you go to lower time frame, maybe 4 hour, and spot what is happening. And as long as the double top has not been violated, then I'm still selling the market. Unless it violates my double top, then I'll be comfortable going up. But as long as it has not yet violated on daily, then I'm good. Okay. Now when we went to 4 hour, I went to 4 hour. You see on daily, it has not yet violated the double top on 4 hour. On daily, but when you go to 4 hour, it violated and the market went down. Can you see the twist there? On daily, the double top is very much valid, but on 4 hour, it has violated. But remember, the pattern was only on daily. So the daily was the king of the day. So when we went to 4 hour, we were looking for entry. And there are reasons why you should enter the market. As for me, I always have love patterns. I love rejection candles. You can also use maybe the gaps. There are a lot, but at least have something for you to enter the market. So when I came to 4 hour, I spotted this. There was this pattern. I never entered this market. To be honest, I never entered this market, but I just feel bad. But now I was trying to see, did the market go to where I was anticipating to? Because the moment I saw that it has already violated, I lost interest. So I just left the market only to come today and I see like, okay, this is what will have happened. When I went to 4 hour on Friday, it has already violated, so I was not interested. So today I came and I was looking at GBP card and I was wondering what really happened. And this is what happened on 4 hour. There is this a double top, and it is like it is an M. Can you see? It is a clear M that is on 4 hour. And as always, this is our neckline, and it has already broken our neckline. But if I could have entered this market, if I was concentrating on this market, I could have entered at this zone. Why could have why choose this zone? One, I could have used, do you see this one? It is a gap. So I could have used a fair value gap. Those one who does ICT, they understand about the fair value gap. If not, I could have used a pattern. If not, I could have used rejection candle, like have multiple confluence that could give you the energy to enter the market. And at the end of the day, did the market go to the half? Yes, can you see? The market went to the half. And you see, my analysis was right. Only that I never entered the market simply because I thought I don't have an entry. So I lost interest in that market. But can you see, the market went to the half. This market went to the half, and on daily, because our pattern was on daily, so we could not enter the daily. You see, if you entered using the daily, you see where your stop loss could have been, because your stop loss is more important than your take profit, because the market can easily go down, like I don't know, it can easily hit your stop loss and it goes to your direction like the GBPNZD did. So that is what happened to GPP card. And I know this market, if in case it does not violate this zone, then the market will go down as long as the daily has not yet broken, because the pattern is on daily. We are only using the lower time frame for entry. If in case the market does not violate that zone, then the market will go down. If the market does not violate on daily, then yeah, I'm still selling this market. But unless the daily market is violated, and in case maybe you have news, then anything can happen. But I'm more of selling. I know this market now. I'm anticipating that this market will come to this zone. It retests here and it drop. This is what I'm thinking. Let me remove this one. I want this market because now this is a live market. Today is on a Monday, date 15 Monday. It is around 13:21. That is one. I'm anticipating because I never entered this market, and this is on 4 hour. I want our market to come and not violate this zone. Let me put it color. Which color should I put? Which color? Which color? I don't know which color to put. Like I want our market to come to this zone and not to violate here, then I will use rejection candle or a pattern, anything that I'll be given, so that I will enter this market. That is what I want. And my stop loss, let me put it around here, because it has not yet reached around that area. I want my market to come here, then my stop loss should be there. And again, you can always use ATR. Use ATL to know where to put your stop loss. I'll not tell you to enter exactly here, but at least can you go and observe what is happening? If my market come here and it does not violate this zone and it give me some rejection candle, something like I don't like something that can tell me you can sell this market. I won't go into detail about entering the market, but at least I've given you away you can enter this market. As long as it does not violate this zone, then I will sell this market to the hub. You see, it had already gone to the hub. I'm hoping it will go. Now it is going up. It just retests and it goes down. And if it goes down, either to come to this hub or just drop a bit to this zone, just a bit. It can either go to that zone just a bit, and I will be comfortable. This is the area I'm expecting the market to come to, and maybe it can continue by, but for now, that is what I'm thinking. That is really what I'm thinking about GPP card. So I think that is all. I hope you have understood. I'll always be coming and telling you what I have, the pattern I've spotted, what I think, and then you can always comment and tell me what you think. So that is all about GBP card. I'll come and tell you about Euro USD. I'm so happy by the about Euro USD. Again, on this channel, I'm always concentrating more on pound pairs because those are the pairs that I love because I can trade them during the day. And today we have news about the card, if I'm not wrong. We have news. So my pairs that I love to trade are GBPNZD, Euro USD, GBPSD, NSD, USD, GBP card, Euro NSD, Audi USD. But for now, if you can spot one pattern and you are comfortable, can you follow up with that pattern until it ends? As long as it gives you an entry, you are good to go. So that is GPP card. Can you go and see if you can spot the same thing that I'm seeing? I really hope it will go my direction. I really hope it will not violate this zone and it will just drop. Like it will not give us a hard time. But again, if this zone is violated on 4 hour, then it's okay. We go to daily. But again, the pattern is on daily. Only that we are using the lower time frame for entry. If it violates, well and good. But if it does not violate, then we continue with the selling. But this was a good one. For that person who entered here, I'm so sure I have to be serious by the way. You can be analyzing the chart and sometimes you even forget. Like, I don't know, you just forget. Imagine you entered this market around this zone using this candle. Do you know how many pips? Those are around 75 good pips. That is a good amount of money. But again, if in case it obeys my analysis and I enter from there, how many pips will I get? That is around 72 pips, but to this zone, that is around 88 pips. So thank you so much for watching today's video, and I hope you'll enjoy. During the course of the week, I'll analyze other pairs and tell you what I think, and we'll go on. And by the way, by the time we reach 1,000 subscribers, I have this video that I feel like I want to share a lot. It is a bit personal, but I want to share with you this video, and it is about how I started forex trading, like the journey. Yeah, it has been a long journey. How I started, the pain, the frustration, everything. I feel like I want to share that story a lot. Like, I don't know. I feel like I want to tell you about that story, but again, everything when the right when the right time comes, I'll tell you that way. I don't know why today. I don't know. Maybe because I've not done a video, so today I'm not that much consistent in talking. But I know I'll tell you that story another day. So thank you so much for watching today's video. Comment, tell me what you think. Tell me the pair that you want me to analyze. Tell me what the kind of video that you want me to do, and I will be doing. Like in this diary, it is all around. We analyze the chart. I tell you my achievement. I tell you what I've felt like, everything about how Forex has been helping me all along. So thank you again, and until next time, bye bye.